Hello everyone, I'm Figo. 1 minute to let you know how to choose the package.
Number 1. How to choose the printing method, gravure printing or digital printing, which is better? In fact, both the two printing methods are work well.
If you make a large number of orders at the first time and repeat the order within 3 to 5 years, the gravure printing will the better way because it can save you a lot of money.
Because the gravure reel can be repeated. In order to calculate the mini order quantity, choose the digital printing is the better way.
Because it didn't have a big more cost for the order.
Number 2. What material is better for the back surface, BOPP or PET? If you love the glassy surface, you can choose the PET material. And if you love the matte surface, you can choose the BOPP material. Number 3. How to choose the back type for our products. Choose the right back types will make our products perfect.
In the same order price is flatboard bags, stand-up bags, 3-side seal bags, and film roll. According to the material, you can also choose aluminum floor bags, craft paper bags, and plastic bags. If you are not satisfied with the bio bags, you can also choose spec shot bags. Okay, follow us. You will have the most comprehensive knowledge of packaging industry.